Hi girls and guys, Boris Girl from South Florida. Today I'm from Hollywood. Guys, today I would like to talk to you regarding investment. A lot of calls which I'm getting. Boris, what I'm gonna get for my money which I'm gonna invest. What is the better options to invest in some Airbnb property, long-term tenants or condo hotels. So let's go with a couple stuff which is totally separate and totally different. So let's go with a long-term investment, which is you're gonna buy the unit and you're gonna rent to annually to some good tenants. So basically what you need to expect in your income. So today market says if you're gonna invest your money, potentially you're gonna get 5% cap net income. It means for each $100,000 you're gonna get $5,000 net income. So it means it's after all expenses, after expense of maintenance, expenses of the property taxes, expenses from the insurance and everything around. So let's go with the formula of simple investment. You purchase unit for $450,000, which is you potentially gonna rent for $3,000. So this unit gonna have property tax around $5,000-6,000. You're gonna pay maintenance around $600, and plus insurance roughly you're gonna pay $100. So let's make a formula. So you're gonna get math. Let's make a math. So for example, $3,000 minus, like I said, $500. This is property tax minus $650. This is HOA minus $100 is gonna be insurance. So it comes to $1,750. Multiply 12, divide 450 purchase price. So basically you're gonna get 4.66. This is what I said exactly. This is potentially you're gonna get net income on your investment money. And unfortunately rates went up. So a lot of investors with mortgage, they don't have cash flow. And again, if you're gonna purchase apartment in Florida today, guys, if you're buying with the 20%, 25%, you need to add money for each payment. If you don't wanna add money to your monthly payment, you need to put at least 45-50% down payment. Otherwise, it's not your mortgage payment plus taxes plus insurance plus HOA not gonna be covered by tenant payment. So if you want to be at least zero, you have to put 45-50%. We already did a couple times a math. So basically this is already checked and you don't need to waste your time. So if you're planning to buy investment with a mortgage, guys, you have to collect 45-50% down payment. In this case, your rental income gonna cover your all payments. So this is one of the conservative investments which is you can make it on this market. And a lot of people asking, Boris, is it good time to buy right now? The rate is high, wherever. I will give you my opinion about this. Again, guys, as soon as the money gonna be cheap, all people with the 20-25% will run again to buy more property, and you're gonna compete with them. So it means now the best time to buy if you have some money already, because you not gonna be compete with other 100 people around. And still we have a lot of cash deals for sure. We have a lot of investors which is trying to put money into brick because this is more safety place to keep it. So basically this is conservative way of investment of money. Another way to be more active and more productive, you can go with Airbnb properties, and a lot of people heard about it. Somebody have some knowledge about it. So basically today we're going to talk about some potential Airbnb property which could be sold. So asking price 1.80, and this is totally ready business if you're looking to invest your money and to sleep good and not to have any problems. So this is one of the properties which is, you're gonna ask me, Boris, why are people selling? Because everyone going up and down. So we're going to more luxury level. For example, this house 1.50, we're planning to buy something for $2.5 to $3 million, which is you're gonna get more income, and for sure more risky, but at least you're gonna have more opportunities to make your business a little bit more profitable. So this house, let's go with this specific house which is offered on the market. For sure you saw some videos before, so let's go with the Airbnb property. A lot of people trying to get into, and I know people, some people trying to go with a subleasing. It's arbitrage, nice word, but it's again, it's the responsibility for tenant to pay to landlord. But guys, you need to understand how business works, and a lot of things which is you never know how to keep the property in the best possible shape, how to choose your potential tenants. So we do property management for ourselves, for other investors. So we charge 20% fee, which is cover all your headaches, or you make it yourself. So let's go with a property which is offered on the market as a business, not just a house, as business ready. Because like I said before, a lot of houses on the market, guys, you need to spend and to make renovations, you need to stage it, you need to get city license. This is most important. If you're thinking to rent a property through Airbnb, you have to have city license, otherwise you're gonna get penalty $1,000 per day. I'm sure it's not worth it, because you're gonna rent for 500, 600 per day. So to get $1,000, you don't cover your expenses. So if you need consultation for what to purchase, how to purchase, what's property better, which one is better for location, and Boris, you know, wherever I wanna get into the business, what I need to start from, guys, feel free to call me, and all my telephones and under video and description, so you can call me, text me, and I will reply to you within a couple hours, and I'll give you a call back and we can talk about it. So, and our strategy to have good and reliable investor which is trust us, and we work together. Everybody gonna be happy with the end of the story. So let me show the house inside, and I will explain a couple more features, and let's go from there. So let's go with the map of Airbnb property, which is we currently in. So asking price 1,080,000, and let's go with the income or expense of this property if you're running as Airbnb property. So let's go with the gross. This house can approximately make gross 120, 130. So let's go conservative and let's go with the 120. So if you're gonna put $120,000 in a gross income, so let's go deduct management fee, which is market price around 20% for the short-term rental. So 120 multiply 0.8, so you're gonna get $96,000 after management fee. Okay, so you have to deduct approximately $8,000 property taxes, and you need to deduct $6,000 insurance. And we put monthly expenses for water, for electric, for all these bills, grass cleaning, let's say minus $12,000 per year. So you're gonna get approximately $70,000 net income after all expenses. If you're gonna purchase the property for the $1,050,000, let's say, if seller gonna be agree for, so let's go divide it 1.150. So you're gonna get 6.6% cap rate without doing nothing. So basically everything gonna be taken care about this property by management company. In case, guys, you want to work by yourself, so we had $70,000 net income plus $24,000 management fee. So you're gonna have $94,000 divide 1.50. So you're gonna get 8.95%, almost 9% cap if you're gonna work yourself. This is why people trying to buy Airbnb property, they want to increase capitalization rate for their money. So basically we spoke about cash on cash deals. If you're looking to put mortgage on this property, guys, like I said before, you need to put at least 40-45% down payment to make math working for you, so you don't need to add money to the property to keep it, because like I said, today's mortgage rate around between 6 to 7. So basically you in a balance of the payments. So guys, if you have some questions regarding Airbnb property and why this project could be interesting for you, because it is ready business. It has licensing, it has all permits, all sensors, everything what should be done for the business. So who wants to go and start it right away without waiting for 6, 8, 10 months forever renovation and getting permits? So you have an opportunity to make it. Guys, feel free to ask me questions regarding long-term tenants or regarding Airbnb property. I will be glad to share with you my ideas, thoughts and experience. All my contact information under this video in description. So feel free to text me, WhatsApp, Viber, Telegram, all these different communications. And under this video always we have current asking price and all about the specific property which is we talking about. Guys, Boris Gelfand, South Florida, Hollywood.